Hi guys, we're live here guys. Listen to me. You think it's joke? Today is the first day of that feeder bank happening here. I'm here with Esther here, and we were just discussing my daughter's work, the TLC that she did for me for my birthday here. And I said, Esther, today is the first day of the hurricane. Gem Network going and explode. Esther's on her way to work right about now, just giving her a lift there, and just discussing our next plans for the next few days. And tell me, Esther, are you excited about this?
I'm excited. Let's go.
She is excited. She's so excited. It keeps her up in the night time. Her energy level is up. And she said, boy, I needed this because these products are really working and people are buying the products. So get on board now. If you are hearing this for the first time, you're not sure, contact Esther or myself. We are ready to show you how to do it. Anybody in the Gem Network too as well. You could contact them because we are all friends. That's what friends are for. God bless. Esther, tell them bye.
Bye.